we're going to fix that. Okay, so basically you're going to be uncomfortable getting to this thing. If I can get it, but that's it right there. Let me get some light in. Get some light in here, but that's the motor up in here. This one up in here. That's the motor right there. This one up in here, and it's got 3 bolts holding it, or 3 little plastic screws holding it in place, and it's very difficult to get to. Okay, I got the first one out, as you can see, and I had to use this because this right here, that's that DeWalt piece, that is literally too wide to fit in between the heater box and the screw itself. There wasn't enough space, even with that nut driver, which is a 7mm, and come to find out this is magnetic, so it'll hold the nut driver in, it doesn't pull out, but it's still too big. That's 1.5 inches, as you can tell by the size of my thumb. That's all the bigger it is, but there isn't that much space to be able to pull that screw out using that 90-degree nut driver. So I ended up having to use this, which by comparison, but we're going to try that for the top bolt because I still haven't got the top bolt out. Well, that's a bust. I literally cannot get my big grandpa paws in it, up inside there to get to it. Literally, my hands don't fit. I can't get up there to it. That just goes to prove something I've been saying for years. The guys that designed these things had to work on them, things be a little bit different. The DeWalt 90-degree nut driver, it's too big. It's literally, there's not enough space in there to get it on there onto the nut. And I just can't get my hand in there. I just literally, it's just too big. Can't get it. So somebody give me some pointers, because that one, every idea I had, and I've been out here for 3 hours and I just can't get this one figured out, how to get to it, because I literally can't get my hand into it. And even if I did get it off, I don't think I'd be able to get a screw back in that hole. So I might have to take this dash apart anyways, so it may have to wait till then. But right now, with the dash in and everything in place, there isn't any way I can get my big old paw in there to get it done. So sorry about that. I thought I'd be able to get something figured out, but my problem solving skills on this one has just went busted. So give me one of those. Like, share, and subscribe. I tried, but we'll pick that fight another day. Y'all have a great day, because a great day today could be an even better day tomorrow. Y'all be good.